Alright, we're at the hobby shop or the Typhoon Motors. Hopefully today we can finish off the project of the AC electric compressor unit installed in the truck. If it does, no leaks, and it works, everything's ready to go, we're gonna find out today. Just say no leaks, please. None. But we're gonna find out. Alright, went to a local store yesterday and I found the POE oil that goes in there. Shit, I wish I wouldn't have drained. It didn't drain out when I put this compressor in, but found it. We're gonna try and put it in, get everything ready, and see if the AC works. Covered 0.36. I don't know how much it took from yesterday. Alright, well, we're still not going to find out today, so I'm going to take it to a shop off base, and apparently there's a leak, so we got to find the leak first, and then if they fill it up, they're going to take this oil out, and this is the only amount of cans I have, so we're going to take it to the shop off base. They got some dye that they're going to put inside, and we're going to see if we can find the leak, and after that, hopefully it's good to go. Alright. Got my black light in from Amazon today. So we're in the truck and we're looking for signs. As you can see there, that's where I put it in yesterday. I literally don't see it anywhere else crazy or at all. Besides there, that's mostly coming out. Now it could be there, but can't really tell. Back there, which I already looked, it's not leaking from the back. From there, we can check inside. As I said here, which I don't see any leaks, and from that one there's no leaks. So all right, I'm just gonna say I found my leak, and it's actually on the low pressure side. Every time I spray it off with brake cleaner, and this comes literally right back out. So pretty sure this is where the leak is. So what we're gonna do is take that seal out, and we're gonna put another packing in there, and hopefully that cures this leak. I haven't seen it leaking anywhere else. It's not leaking around the high pressure side, which is in the front right there. This is the low pressure one, so I wipe it off with my finger. I wipe it off, and it comes right back. Well, this is just one more video of the AC working. Let's turn it on. We'll turn it off. See, the fan stays on. And once I fix the leak, that's it. But yep, this is Nismology's DIY video of installing the aftermarket AC unit on a sunny truck. Look, big shout out to Ricky's Custom Shop, brother. When I say we got AC right here, it's cooling. It is cooling. Hopefully it stays in there. Hopefully there's no leak. It feels like it's cold. It's getting cold there. Big shout out to these guys. I really appreciate it. If you have anything that you need to be done custom wise, especially on custom cars here on Okinawa, come out and give these guys a holler, because they will take care of you. Especially the customized stuff, the custom cars. So he's actually built another new location that's right here. That's right there. It's a new place. Looks really, really nice in the inside of there. As you can see, this is a Escalade. You don't see this at all often on Okinawa. Isn't that little thing? As you can see, they're working on another sunny truck. Mecha Junse. This is all original. So this is what an original Sunny looks like. But they're doing all the body work and stuff on it. So wonder what it's gonna look like after. Nice hopefully it's okay. I don't know. I'm just here so I don't get fined. Deal? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Hopefully it stays cool. Let's just get a little look, brother, we are cooling. We are cooling. I'm not lying, bro. I'm about to ride the windows up. Let's do this, brother. I hooked that up, by the way. I installed that. I installed this whole system. Okay. I hope so. I think so. Yeah, you use that off. You have to turn it off from there. That's the thing. You can't leave it running, otherwise it'll literally stay running. But they set it up to where it will run with the battery off. I mean, with the truck off or whatever. But this is like the cool down part. It's just running. It's not actually on. The fan just stays on for a little bit, then it'll turn off. I think it's a timer. On a timer delay. See, it just went off. Nice. I just don't know how excited I am to have AC on my car. Well, this truck. The GTR has AC. The motorcycle has AC. Had AC, which is, by the way, if you can't tell, I got this nice cast on my arm from a story that's gonna unfold here soon. So, but again, thank you, Rick, for doing this. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Brother, when I say a big spider was, I guess it came in from the top of that building and it landed inside the truck, and I jumped out the truck and I was like, no, there's a big spider in here. Give me some brake cleaner. And please open the door once I start spraying. So he opened the door and the spider came out. So I was like, oh my God, thank you. It was a wolf spider. Nah. This is a new shop that I spoke of before. And I think he just had this built.
iPod 側がもう対応します。はい。
すいません。はい。ああ、良い。AC。
ではない。右を左仕様になってるっていう。
AC in my Sunny truck. My windows are up. Thank you, God. Jesus Christ. You know, I want to wait on this. And it's cold. It's cold, y'all. It's cold in here. Hopefully it's no leak to where it's leaked my freons out. But I guess I have to wait and see. But look at that. Windows are up. Good Lord, this traffic sucks. But, you know, I guess I can ride all the way with AC. I'm gonna adjust my idle just a hair. And then we're gonna move